Hi guys, and welcome to Spark's Tidal Pool, a really amazing little spot. I was going to call it a tourist spot, but currently the road is still under repairs and there's not many people around, obviously, because it's being kept as a maintenance yard for the trucks and gravel and various repair things that they keep in here on site at the moment. And for those looking for the route from Gordons Bay, it's halfway between Royals and Gordons Bay. Probably about 20 minutes drive at the most. But what a drive. But for those who are interested in looking at the comments and making a comment, I'll leave a link in the description. Please have a look. Obviously, due to the fact that there's actually no real public access at the moment, or officially no access, you've got to accept that there's no maintenance here. Looks like some post-apocalyptic leftovers here. Makes you wonder how much better we'd be off without civilization, as we call it. Shame about all the plastic. That too must go. Pretty wild and windy day today. Have a look at that. Cool bay. Strong breeze from the northwest. These mountains are a very delicate ecosystem, constantly under attack by fire and vandals and squatters and people that are not interested in nature conservation, obviously, but definitely something that you and I can do something about by cleaning up when we leave. Few better places in the world to watch the sunset. Blow crowns.